Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a safe copy of your work and reducing the scene to only the parts you will decimate. Once done, hide or remove auxiliary subtools, then merge visible to produce one mesh. This prevents accidental omissions. Make sure normals, polygroups, and UVs are in the state you want because decimation changes topology. If needed, use polygroups from Mask or UV Master, now so later projection or texture baking is predictable. Run the Decimation Master preprocess so Zbrush can evaluate faces and curvature. This is essential for intelligent reduction. After preprocess, choose either a percentage target or an explicit triangle count. Lower percent reduces file size, but risks losing fine detail. Toggle Preserve UVs or preserve polygroups according to whether you need to keep texture islands or polygroup boundaries intact. Once settings look right, click Decimate Current. Watch after decimation. Thoroughly inspect the model in matte cap and polyframe to verify edge flow, seams, and preservation of silhouette. If you see artifacts or lost fine details, immediately undo and decimate again with a higher target, or mask and protect critical regions before rerunning. If topology shifted too much, import the original, subdivide if needed, and use Project All to transfer high-frequency detail back onto the lower mesh. Finally, save a new version and export the optimized file for downstream use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.